This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East, and you have clicked on to the Carolina Weather Video Edition for this third day of June. And we're starting off with another mild, muggy day here, unfolding this morning across the Carolinas. That's the radar this morning just before 5 a.m. And we have a frontal boundary draped from really the mid-Atlantic states back to the Ohio Valley down into the southern plains. And there's been some showers and storms along that front over the past couple of days. In fact, it's pretty active weather yesterday. That's a look at the severe weather reports from yesterday into last night, and over 300 total storm reports when you combine the tornado, wind, and hail reports that came in. Pretty big concentration of them in parts of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Kentucky, and also a pretty good amount of wind reports around northern Virginia, southern Maryland, even up into parts of New Jersey and Pennsylvania. So pretty active weather day yesterday. This morning, there's our temperature, still very warm, very muggy across the southeast part of the country. Then you have that frontal boundary, and you have a cooler, drier air mass to the north of that front. And that clash of air masses will again provide a good chance for showers and thunderstorms today from the mid-Atlantic and southern New England on down into the Ohio Valley toward the Ozarks and the lower Mississippi Valley. Now around here, much like yesterday, there will probably be a handful of showers or storms this afternoon in the Piedmont, but the chance of rain again today in any one spot is very small. It'll be another pretty hot day, highs close to 90 in many spots. Now up in the mountains, a little better chance for a few showers and storms today. And that's the day one convective outlook for of course, today. And Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky, North Tennessee, that's your best chance for severe thunderstorms today, rather, and damaging winds probably the biggest threat today. But tomorrow, that front will sag farther southward, and we have a pretty good chance for showers and storms at times tomorrow. A couple of those storms tomorrow could be locally strong to severe. We'll watch that, of course. So an unsettled day tomorrow, and, of course, the heat will back down with the showers and storms, highs back toward the lower side of the 80s in most spots tomorrow afternoon. Friday, this is Friday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. The GFS has that low sitting really just right along the area between Charlotte up toward the Triad. The NAM has the low a little farther east, but the exact placement of that remains a question, but it looks like it's going to take a track Friday. That'll give us a good chance for some areas of rain at times, and a cooler day Friday. Highs only in the 70s Friday, but that good chance of rain at times as our Friday unfolds. But the good news is that it looks like most of that activity will be east of here by the weekend. That's a look at Saturday afternoon's precip off the GFS, and that's a look at Sunday afternoon. So while I can't completely rule out a shower this weekend, it looks like most of us will get to enjoy a dry weekend with highs in the 80s in most instances. Now, as we get back into next work week, this is Monday afternoon. A pretty hot, muggy pattern will unfold. Highs back up to the upper 80s to even some lower 90s, and back to the chance for a few afternoon storms. That's Monday. That is Tuesday, with some scattered afternoon storms being indicated. All right, let's check the tropics. No organized systems out there. Things pretty quiet in the western Atlantic, the Gulf, and the Caribbean. A few thunderstorms in the Gulf, but nothing to be concerned about right now. And the only area to look at in terms of the tropical weather outlook is over in that non-tropical low pressure area north of the Azores, still causing some winds 50, 55 miles an hour, but that is not a tropical system by nature. All right, that's it for this latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great Wednesday, and God bless.